Welcome back, y'all, to the channel. Glad to see y'all. How y'all been? How y'all doing? So, as y'all seen the title, new daily. Which one is it gonna be? Which one is it gonna be? Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Yep, that's right. New Cruze 2017. Let me step back. 2017 Cruze that we're going to be switching this thing up a lot. And when I mean a lot, a whole lot. Let me fit this guy back around. That's right. So the goal for the new daily, let me get in the shade there. The goal for the new daily is going to be a 3-day, we won't say build, but it's going to be a 3-day, fuck it. We're going to say 3-day build. Meaning I'm going to put this thing together from where it is now to where it's going to go to IFO down in Hebron, Ohio, which y'all will get a chance to roll with me. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick the new car, some of the things, why I got it and what I like about it. And then we'll probably go through just light plans so I could show you all the before and after. And then later on today, we got lots of packages coming. We're going to do an unboxing. So let's get into it. But this is the new daily. Let me step on back. You already know those gotta go. It did come with 18-inch Premier wheels, but I sold them to trade them out for something a little different. This is the Premier with the RS package on it. So you'll notice the front end here is a little bit different. Fog lights, projector headlights. I've already upgraded and did a couple things, so you guys won't see that process. So these headlights are dirty right now, but I had to have them re-cleared because they were peeling and they're aftermarket by TYC, which they kind of suck, not gonna lie. My hood needed the rock chips filled in, so DC Auto Body, big shout out to them, they did that. Already got her tinted up, so we expedited that, and then I decided to go a little bit dark, but I tinted the rear tail lights here. Which again, DC Auto Body hooked it up for that too as well. Badges were tinted too, but the moisture gets under the film, so this is going to change. One of the first things to go. Wheels. Let's jump into the driver's seat. So as you can notice, it hopefully comes on camera. Leather heated seats, heated front and rear. So I love that about this car already. There's a plug down there, an outlet, so I can plug in everything I need. All right, let's get in here. Definitely went with, if it'll focus, that Bose sound system. Heated steering wheel, lane assist. Let's see if this guy will come on. I might not have my key. No, we do. All right, we're good.
System ready.
If it can focus again. With the larger screen, and then if you look in here, this is all leather. In the lesser models like the LT, you get like this fabric stuff like in my LT over there. So we definitely got an upgraded interior I like a lot. You see this piano black too as well. And up top we got that sunroof, you know, the function of the sunroof, OnStar, the mirror tints by itself, so at night if there's somebody with blinding lights, tints it. So fog light buttons over here, and then the big thing I like, it shows you your speed or information on here as well as on the display itself. Probably gonna mod these or mod this too as well, but we'll see. Let me get under the hood so I can show you what. Got to do that double pull, which you will probably see. It's all stock. I did install, which you guys will see a video probably very soon or before or after this, I'm not sure yet, of the install of the AM intake. And then I also got a Go Fast Bits diverter valve, which is stuffed way in there. That actually came from Go Fast Bits. It's made to fit a Cadillac ATS 2.0, but it will also fit for this generation Cruze. So this would be considered second gen. But as you can see, not a whole lot going on in the engine bay. It's kind of just blah. We're gonna clean it up though today and get prepared for what we got going on. Again, this He's gonna change for sure. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna make it to actually put in my oil catch right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make that, but we'll see. And we'll kind of continue and go from there. I've already upgraded the fog lights too for this guy. So I mean, I've been busy a little bit. I wanted to get it situated before I started making a whole lot of videos, but we're gonna dive way deeper into this thing very soon. So first box is gonna be from Cruze Culture. We're gonna unbox this. Highly recommend them if you have a Chevy Cruze, first gen or second gen. Customer service was excellent. If I could have bought everything, and I mean everything from them, I would have. They have a very quick turnaround time. I have more packages coming today from them as well. But like, just awesome guys to talk to. Great company. Like, I have nothing but good things to say about them. So today, we'll have the unboxing, and then we'll probably go through installation videos for anybody else that wants to do this to their Cruze. But right now, it's packaged up like a you-know-what. We'll probably fast forward the video at this point. Had a little catastrophe with these stupid wheels that are right here. They decided to like fall over in the middle of the video. But anyway, back to the video. So I got a full engine bay kit. This is gonna be some of the parts, and then I will show you my favorite piece overall. Packaging so far is spot on. Well taken care of, it looks like. Very well thought out. But this is kind of what you can expect when you get the stuff from them. Good packaging, and they give you everything to actually put it on the car. So these are all custom made too. So one of my favorite things, well, as you can see, let's take some of this off, because we're going to stick all this on today. Like, it's well branded. They did get a Cruze Culture license plate. I think it's the wrong color, but that's alright. We can live with that. They give you always these cool keychain things, and then they also give you, looks like these are stickers in here, which is nice. So I got another keychain, and then their business card, which is dope, which actually has a picture of a hatch like mine. Then if we dive in, these are going to be the engine pieces. As you can see, they're really well wrapped, and we'll go through how they go on the car in a minute. I just wanted to kind of get all this stuff out of the way. 3M tape for these guys, and then screws will go on this. This is for one of the other pieces. This is the rad cover. Basically, where the radiator goes, there's just big ugly gaps and stuff, as you've seen on like the intro video. The piece that I love the most, that I already opened it, I'm sorry, I had to do it because I had it custom painted, but this is blingy. This is going to be my new engine bay cover. I'm taking the plastic one off, and it actually says Cruze Culture across the front, and then there's the CC for Cruze Culture. But we also have one more piece to this whole setup coming. Brown Santa Claus came. Remember this license plate cover? And I said it was wrong, but it's okay. Yeah, I was wrong. They actually hooked me up and gave this to me with my order of the engine bay stuff. So big shout out to them again. That's dope. This is our second box today from Brown Santa Claus and Cruze Culture. So I appreciate you guys again getting this stuff out to me. I called, asked them if they had this in stock, and they had one left. They didn't have to make it, and he rushed it right out to me with no problems. That's sick. Freaking flight tag, keychain. Another business card, another keychain. This is sick. That's sick. Wait, hold on. Let me take this out. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm excited. This is sick. This is why I wanted to do an unboxing with, with y'all seeing it. But I don't know if you can see that. Cruze Culture flight tag. That's definitely getting wrapped for this weekend for sure. And because I got the red hatchback, boom, I had to have the license plate frame to match. So big upgrades. And last but not least, the piece that I've been waiting for. And I'm gonna leave it in raw finish because why not? I like it like this. But this bad boy, if I can get it out of here. Boom, look at that. Look at how sick that is. It is freaking giant too. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. This is freaking sick. But this is my hood prop. Boom, I feel like I should wear like a necklace like Flavor Flav. But I'm gonna put all this stuff together. Do what you love what you do, always stay original, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. I'm gonna see if I can capture the wonderful noise, but I'm definitely not getting boost. So we're gonna take the new Cruze home. There's a fire truck behind us. Or no, maybe. Well, I'm gonna have to, restart this video.